Now that the file is prepared, we can continue in meviy. First, upload your step file as usual and wait until the system has finished processing the model. If your file contains multiple bodies, like in this example, meviy will recognize them as separate sheet metal bodies, but still as part of the same uploaded model. To create the welded assembly, select all the relevant parts. Then, next to the blue New Quotation button, you will find the Welding Service option. Click on Welding Service. meviy will then create the welded assembly. As you can see, the model we prepared in SolidWorks has now been recognized as a welded sheet metal assembly. Because we respected the required distance of less than 0.15 millimeters between the surfaces to be welded, meviy can automatically detect the weldable areas. From here, you can configure the quotation conditions as usual. First, select the required material and surface treatment. In this example, we will select steel with a yellow powder coating. Another available option is the leak-proof test. This can be selected if your welded part needs to be sealed, for example in the case of a box construction or container-like geometry. For this example, we do not need a leak-proof test, so we will leave it unselected. Next, open the Welding Settings menu. Here you can adjust the welding settings. You can choose between arc welding and laser welding, depending on the available options and your application requirements. You can also define whether the weld should be continuous or intermittent. For intermittent welding, you can specify the weld length and define the number of weld points per side, either as a fixed value or as a ratio. You can also select whether a finishing method is required for the weld seam. In this example, we will keep a continuous weld. After defining the welding settings, you can continue with the remaining quotation conditions. Here, you can also add additional features, such as insert nuts, directly in meviy. This is why we removed the nuts from the CAD model before exporting it from SolidWorks. Once all quotation conditions and required features have been selected, confirm the settings. And that is it. Your welded sheet metal assembly has now been configured in meviy and is ready to be ordered.